Hello, I am Mihela. Today I am going to talk about a very small but colorful bird. The purple-rumped sunbird. The purple-rumped sunbird is one of Sri Lanka's smallest birds, less than 10 centimeters long. The purple-rumped sunbird is a sunbird endemic to the Indian subcontinent. The male has a green shiny crown and shoulder patch, a dark brown body with purple rump, a purple throat, lemon yellow underpart and whitish flakes. The female is lightish greyish brown above and pale yellow below. The purple-rumped sunbird sounds like they build a hanging pouch nest made up of cobwebs, lichens and plant material. They are feeding mainly on nectar but sometimes take insects, mostly when feeding young. I have recently been to Lovers Leap waterfall and on my way I saw a male and female purple-rumped sunbird. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next video about the purple sunbird.